it so we can go. Woo! I feel so bad right now. I'm trying to figure out how I can help it get out.
We need something, we need to like wrap something around him.
I don't want, he's gonna hurt himself trying to get out of there. Keep your hand back. Just keep your hand back.
Just leave it flat.
I know, Bubba. I'm trying to figure this out for you, sweetheart. You're supposed to know how to get in and out.
All right. You gotta put your glove.
Stop, Bubba. You're gonna hurt yourself.
He's scared.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Chill. Bubba, I'm gonna try.
Start with that one.
You gotta trust me, okay? You gotta trust me. Because you're cutting your mouth. You're cutting your mouth trying to get out right now. I know. I know.
Where the back is. Yep.
I don't want to impale himself trying to get out also.
Focus on him. Not worry about getting bit. Just pull upwards as you do it.
Hold it so we can go. Woo! Absolutely superwoman. I have a little scratch on my finger, but we just got that slow for it.